Alright, so hi everyone, welcome back to Rohan Developers. This is Rohan Ramprasad, and again we are back again with the latest and new opportunity for each and every student. And this is going to be a crazy opportunity. And if you are thinking it is about this, it is about that, it is about this thing, it is about that thing, so just stay tuned till the last. Only thing which you need to know is that it is an internship from ChatGPT, or you can say an internship or internship opportunity for all students by OpenAI, which is for your information is that ChatGPT's main company. So yeah, so just stay tuned till the last. So let me tell you, this internship is for everybody, and this is going to be a paid internship. So never mind, you will be getting lot of stuff. So what exactly I'll be going to give you the go through of each and every detail, how you can register and everything. So watch this video till the end, and this opportunity is for every student in any stream or any year. Even beginners can apply for it, whether you are studying or pursuing your degree in BTech, BCA or BCom or whatever. So without wasting time, just hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more such content and updates regarding different types of internship, tech internship, student life, coding, and different types of stuffs, certification courses. I'll make such kind of videos. So yeah, you just follow me on Instagram, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So this internship is called OpenAI Student Collective. OpenAI Student Collective means they are collecting a group of students to lead as the campus lead of OpenAI in their campus. So what exactly it is, after giving you the link, you can just go to the click on the link and just go to this what you can say landing page, and you will be seeing an OpenAI stuffs, all the thing which is openai.com, and you can just log in or you can just have a go through. So after going, you can see the OpenAI Student Collective written on the top with a purple interface. So yeah, I hope so I can show you on the screen. So what exactly it is? OpenAI Student Collective. Apply to become an OpenAI campus lead, which means that you can be a campus lead, or you can say a leader, or representing and be the face of ChatGPT or OpenAI in your campus and lead different types of programs. And let me tell you, it's not free. It is going to be a paid internship with stipend, and help students gain confidence using ChatGPT and Codex while building projects together. So do you love ChatGPT and using Codex? Then this is definitely for you. Even if you are not familiar with Codex but use ChatGPT or have an idea about ChatGPT, then you can just apply for it and just go through it. So it's going to be amazing video. So if you are still there here, you can just imagine how great it's going to be. So what exactly it is? Students have been among the first to find new ways AI can support learning, creativity, and problem solving. As OpenAI builds more capable tools, we believe students will continue leading the way and brings others along with them. So that's their message. The OpenAI Student Collective, what exactly it is, what it's going to give. So it gives undergraduate campus leads the tools, the training, the funding, and support to help that energy grow on their campus. So it's individual for every individual on the campus. We are looking for students excited to bring peers from every field together, help them gain confidence with OpenAI tools, and showcase what they can create with a global community. So applications are open through 10th August 2026 at 11:59 p.m. So mostly that day it will be getting end. So register before that. So yeah. Learn more and apply below. If you click on this button, you will be understanding how exactly it's going to be working. Alright, so that was the introduction of it. So let me tell you how the program is going to work. So campus lead work in pairs to create a place where students learn from the latest AI tools, start projects, and share what they create along the way. And what are the programs in this? There are 4 things. First one is workshop, studio hours, showcases, and community thing. So in workshop, welcoming events where students learn new AI skills, explore what they can make, and choose a project to keep building during studio hours. And it will be going to be 4 per semester. So every semester you have to conduct at least 4 workshops, and all the stuffs will be provided by OpenAI. So just stay tuned to the last. I will be clearing all the doubts. Studio hours, what exactly is going to be? Weekly co-working sessions where students spend focused time on their projects, connect with peers, and get help when they need it. And it's going to be weekly. So every week you have to conduct this studio hours. Showcases, campus-wide celebration of what students are creating with AI, and it should be once each semester. Means every semester there should be one showcase of this thing. And the last part is community, a shared space for students to stay connected, ask questions, and discover upcoming opportunities. And it's currently ongoing. So if you are still waiting, just don't wait, just apply and just get ready. They will be interviewing you all, and just stay tuned to the last. I will be explaining each and every detail. So I'm not making it a short video. I'll explain everything. So next thing which I'm going to talk about, what you will receive. and I know my follow subscribers or students, everyone in the college are very excited to know what will ChatGPT will be giving. Will they give internship? Will they give some just certificate or some swag or whatever? I know you are excited, so just stay tuned. The first thing which you will be getting is a ChatGPT subscription. And that's not all. There are plenty of things. A ChatGPT subscription with Codex credits for the duration of the program. So the complete program you will be getting a ChatGPT subscription with the Codex credits. That's really amazing. You will be getting, and it will be completely for free. And the second thing which you will be getting is funding, credits, and merch to help you organize campus events. Well, that's really amazing. Again, third thing is the trainings, resources, and guidance on the latest OpenAI tools and technology. So if you are not aware how to conduct such things, they will be guiding you with the help of a mentor, or your program manager will guide you through all of this. Fourth thing, access to OpenAI team and a global network of campus lead. And the I guess 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth thing is the best thing about the paid internship. So a cash stipend each semester in recognition of your time and leadership will be provided to you with safe and secure payment methods. So the last thing is the opportunities for a headquarter visit in June 2027, and other surprises are along the way. You will be getting an official invite or an opportunity to visit the headquarter of OpenAI, which is I guess in California or somewhere in the Silicon Valley only, in June 2027. So everyone can apply and just get an opportunity to visit. That's really amazing. AI is still, it's currently AI era, and if you are still lacking behind or don't have such kind of opportunity, especially in AI, then this is going to be a best thing you can do right now. Let's see some of the testimonials from the student community. So Arlena Young, what she says. Watching students bring their ideas to life through AI was the highlight of the program. Okay, so you can just read it. I'm not going into it deep. And the second is Krishna Ramasimha, which says bringing together students from various backgrounds and seeing them all tackle a single problem using Codex and continue. You can just read it. I will be showing you on the screen. And the third part also, you can just read it out. I don't want to skip the main thing, so you are trying to see. And the best part, how to apply. Well, applications are now open through 10th August 2026 at 11:59 p.m. PT, which means you have to apply before 10th August. In this year only, before 10th August. If you are applying after 10th August, then there might be chance that the applications or the forms get closed and you will be not get selected. So students from every discipline are encouraged to apply. We are looking for undergraduate students who are curious, community minded, and excited to introduce others to AI. So if you love ChatGPT and AI stuff and want other to know about it, then this is the perfect opportunity. And let me tell you what are the qualifications or eligibility for such kind of thing or getting into such kind of internship. You should be loving ChatGPT, Codex, and OpenAI tools. You should be 18 years old or older. So you just need to be 18 years plus, and most of the students who are watching might be doing engineering or some 4-year code degree program, so you might be above 18 years old. And it's open for all first, second, third, fourth, fifth year, whatever year you are, it's for everyone. So you are enrolled in an undergraduate college or university program as of August 2026 and expect to graduate after December 2027. So you should be graduating after 2027. So make sure you are not graduating before that, because this program demands you that thing. You are committed to 4 to 6 hours per week of participation from August 2026 to June 2027. You should be studying in these names which I'm going to take: United States, Canada, United Kingdom, France, Germany, India, and Japan or South Korea, and have work authorization in your country of study. Studying elsewhere, you can just register your interest by submitting an application, and we'll let you know when the collective becomes available in your country. And the main criteria: you are not currently an ambassador or an intern for any other AI programs or companies. So keep that in mind. You should be not indulge in some ambassador programs like the Google Student Ambassador or some other ambassador programs or any other internship which are surrounded around AI domain. So just keep in mind. And common FAQs are such kind of things. Can I apply if I haven't used Codex or built with AI before? And yes, you don't need experience with Codex or a portfolio. You can just read it out. And what happens after I apply? So you can just check it out what happens. Applications will get closed on 10th August. After reviewing your application, we'll invite selected applicants to interview in August, so we can learn more about their motivation, initiative, and community mindset. Accepted campus leads will complete onboarding before launching campus programming in the fall. And who can I invite in the community campus lead? You can just check it out. What is the overall time commitment for a campus lead? You can just go through it. Will OpenAI provide workshop materials, or do I need to create everything myself? They will be explaining it all. How long will the workshop be? And everything is covered in this, so it might be lasting for 4 to 5 months, I guess. And do I need to start an official club to become a campus lead? No, you don't have to, unless you are completing all your tasks or whatever things are assigned. Can I request a specific co-lead? Of course you can. And make sure your co-lead also just register, and you can just recommend both of each other. And can I participate in another program while being a campus lead? No, you cannot. And can postgraduate students apply? This campus lead is only open for the undergraduate who expect to graduate after December 2027, and the PG students are still welcome to attend campus events and workshops. I hope this answers. How will I receive my stipend and when? The most important thing I feel right now, campus lead will be paid through our secure payment platform. We'll share details during the onboarding, including payment method, and any required documents. Stipends will be paid at the end of each semester after campus leads have participated in the program and completed the expected semester activities. Alright, so you just need to focus on your brain and just sure, like, think from here, have a positive mindset and just go through it. And if you are seeing, I'm talking with you, okay? So if you are seeing, just go and apply on it. And yeah, this is the application form. You can just fill in the details as per your IDs or government ID cards. The first name, last name, email address, how old are you, make a selection around 18 years of age, 18 to 25 plus, whatever thing you are. What country is your university or college located in? Just select your country, and what university or college do you attend, and what is your current education status, whether you are huge undergraduate, graduate, masters, or not in school. Even not in school students can do, I guess. Yeah, just go through it. What are the expected to finish university or college? So you can just put it up. I will be putting 2028. I am also registering for my college, which is Universal Skill Tech University, and I'll be leading this chapter along with my co-lead. Co-lead is still left. So if you are someone from Universal Skill Tech University, just DM me that I wanted to be the co-lead of this program, and I'll be happy to guide you all how you can. What best describes your area of study? You can just make a selection, whether you are something around the computer science and engineering, AML, or whatever. So please specify your majors, course, field, or program. Okay, are you able to commit an average 4 to 6 hours? You can just select yes, no. So these kind of ambassador programs demand at least 4 to 6 hours, so you need to commit yourself for such kind of things. And which OpenAI tools do you currently use? You can just select all, or maybe as much as you feel. And there are some of the Q&As which are, what's one way you use AI that you think. A tip from my side, whenever you are feeling, don't put the ChatGPT answers. Try to type your own try to type your own words, type in your own words, try to express whatever thing you are. You can just use ChatGPT for correcting your grammatical mistakes and spellings, and that's all. You can just use your own word. They invite such kind of thing. They are ChatGPT's official owners, so they know how ChatGPT types, and they must be having a tool. Having a tool means what? They have such kind of tools which can detect that this is made using AI. And yeah, so what's something you have changed your mind recently about such kind of things? You can provide your LinkedIn profile, other public social profiles, and lot more things are there. And you can just hit the submit button, and that's all. You are just in the program, and just wait for some time. They will be contacting you via email, and after getting the email, they will be providing you the next process, what you need to be do. And let me tell you, the emails will only be given to such kind of ambassador who are selected. Only the selected applicants are eligible for the next process or the next round, which is either going to be an interview round. So someone from the ChatGPT company or OpenAI will be interviewing you all about it. And yeah, after that you will be provided such kind of things, and at the end you will be welcome to the program, and you get started with this internship. So yeah, what you are waiting for? Just go to OpenAI Collective and just have fun. So this was Rohan Ramprasad. If you like such kind of videos, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, that's all. This is Rohan Ramprasad. See you next time. See you.